morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another review for you guys, and it's the Peppa Pig 123 toothpaste. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I was searching on Amazon at what is the best selling toothpaste, and what came up was very shocking. What came up was the Peppa Pig toothbrush. So a toothpaste, I mean. As you can see, this is how the toothpaste look like. There we are. So it has Peppa Pig 123, and it has I don't know which character this is. This looks like Captain General Pig brushing his teeth, and the toothpaste is 75 milligrams. No other information. Yes, so I was surprised that this is the most top selling toothpaste in Amazon. I believe this toothpaste is very popular with the Metropolitan Police officers. They absolutely love this. It is a bestseller with the police in the UK. I think this is the highest toothpaste they use. I'm not too sure why they love this toothpaste, but yes, it must do a very good job cleaning your teeth. Brush, brush, wash, wish, wish, wish. Yes, so yeah, so I thought I'd quickly make a review. It's not really a review because I'm not going to try this one, but it's the most top selling toothpaste, so I'm sure you guys will like it if you buy it, especially if you're a police officer. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Peppa Pig 123 toothpaste brush your teeth Mackenzie. As always guys, if you like the video, I'm going to catch you on another one, and as always, hoink hoink.